welcome to Hedgehog Hollow. We're here at Creativation 2018 and I'm here in the Deflecto booth with Chris, who is going to be showing you all their new releases. So, let's hear all about it.
So this is our Stackable Caddy organizer. This is kind of the cornerstone of our storage line. This is a very versatile product which is designed to give you functionality, portability, and visibility. So I'm going to give you a quick overview here and then we'll look at some of the new products we've designed for this. But this is the single item. It comes with the frame, a large, medium, and small container. The unique thing about these is each one of these frames has these tabs built into it, so these levers lock together so you can stack and connect multiple units. So as you can see here, we've got these connected. This is a single stack, multiple units here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And we've got a wheelbase here, which makes it nice and simple. If you don't want to lug this thing around, we of course make it simple for you to wheel it around your craft room. So you can keep this in the closet or under your workspace, and when you're ready to work, all you do is wheel it out. So as I mentioned, we've got some unique items that we are designing to work within these caddy canisters. One of them is a small bead storage tray. This is great for things like jewelry making or small embellishments. And this tray is just designed to fit right inside the large caddy container. Hold all your smaller items, a few of your tools here. It's got 8 compartments and then 8 smaller compartments and then a larger compartment here. These are designed to stack together. As you can see, they nest on top of one another. And they still leave plenty of space underneath for some of your other items, so you can set it up for whatever project you need. Another item designed to work within our caddy canister. This is a ribbon dispenser. So this also fits right inside the caddy frame. There's a dowel rod in there that holds all of your ribbon and tape, and then they just come through the lid and you can trim these to length, so it makes it nice and versatile. We have a new marker organizer which we launched at Creativation 2017. This is a single unit. It holds up to 20 long-stemmed items or markers. It can be stored either horizontally, markers can be stored vertically, and this is the same footprint as our small caddy canister, so it fits right inside the caddy frame. Nice thing about these units here is they do have a dovetail feature here which allow them to lock together, hence their interlocking marker organizer. We've got some over here demonstrating how they fit together. Very versatile as far as how you can customize these. You can stair step them, you can build them vertically, you can build them horizontally. Makes it really nice as far as fitting the space that you have. And again, you can see you can store the markers horizontally or straight up and down. Again, each one of these will hold 20 markers, so we've got 60 markers right here. Another new marker item that we have this year, this is brand new for us, this is our expandable marker accordion. So this is how it sits as it's folded compact. We've got 80 markers in here. There's 4 separate compartments. It's got a lid with the handle, so you can take this with you to your class, to your crop, traveling. Makes it really nice, or if you're just going from, say, a closet to your workspace. Once you take the lid off, the unique thing about this is these segments are designed to expand. So you can see they expand out. It does extend fully. So you can store up to 80 markers here, and then sit this on the back of your workspace. Keeps your desk clear, so you have plenty of room to work on your project. And again, it folds compact, lid goes on, and you're off. Another new item we've got at Creativation 18 is this cube organizer. This is designed to hold washi tape or other type of rolls. This has three compartments per drawer, 3 drawers per unit. So we've got 2 units here. Again, as most of our items, we love to have things that are visible because it doesn't make sense to store items if you can't see them. So we want to use clear acrylic, and these do stack together. When fully loaded, this will hold over 150 tape rolls. Very versatile product. You can also store things like scissors, string, anything, small embellishments, thread for your sewing room, lots of different options here. The drawers do come out completely, so if you want to just take a single drawer, put that on your workspace, certainly easy to do that. The knobs also are removable. They're just held in with a screw. So if you want to customize these by custom knobs and really personalize this a little bit, you can certainly do that.
This marker storage?
This should be available spring or summer of 2018. And then finally, I want to give a look at some of our more popular items here. If you're looking for craft room functionality and versatility, customization, these are some of the items that might help you just get more organized in general. We've got stackable cubes here, multiple versions. We've got an open cube, we've got an X divider, which is great for pens, pencils, brushes, any sort of long-stemmed writing implements. We've got 4-drawer cubes here. We've got 2-drawer cubes here. These are all designed to lock together with these linking clips. Each unit comes with linking clips so you can connect them together. Maximum versatility for your craft room, mix and match different styles. We also have these tilt bins, which are designed to lock together. Nice clear bins, wide open, so you can get access to all of your supplies. Makes it really nice. You can interlock these either horizontally or build them tall vertically. A lot of different custom options there. And then these also work with an aluminum mounting bar, so you can mount this over your workspace and then use this cleat on the back here and then mount this above your craft room. So gets the items off of your table, makes it really nice and simple to work on the project. These bins come out, really simple to remove, refill, makes it really nice and easy. And then along the same lines, we have these multi-bin units. These are single units. This is a 6-bin, we have a 5-bin, and a 4-bin as well. These also stack and lock together. So lots of different options if you're looking to redo your craft room. Deflecto.com, great place to see them. All of these items are available at scrapbook.com. You can get them at most of your major craft stores as well.
Thanks so much for joining us here at Hedgehog Hollow in the Deflecto booth with Chris. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for all of the Creativation videos we have, video tutorials, and of course we have monthly videos with Deflecto on how to use all of these products and how I use them around the home and in my craft room. We'll see you again soon. Happy stamping. Bye.